Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the battery replacement process for your Dyson V10, you will need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. Ensure you have a replacement battery compatible with the Dyson V10 model. First, unplug the vacuum and place it on a flat surface to work safely. Start by removing the dust canister. Press the red release button located on the canister and pull it away from the main body. This will give you better access to the battery compartment. Next, locate the battery cover on the back of the vacuum. You will see two screws securing the cover in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe location. Once the screws are removed, gently slide the battery cover off. It's important to handle this part with care to avoid any damage. Now, you will see the battery itself. To disconnect the old battery, locate the connector at the top. Gently pull the connector away from the battery. If you find it difficult to detach, make sure you're not pulling too hard on the wires to avoid any damage. After disconnecting the old battery, take your new battery and align it with the connector. Push the connector firmly onto the new battery until you hear a click, indicating it is secure. Now, before reassembling, it's a good idea to clean the internal components of your vacuum. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris, ensuring optimal performance. Once everything is clean, slide the battery cover back into place. Ensure it fits snugly, and then reinsert the two screws you previously removed, tightening them securely without over-tightening to avoid stripping the screws. If you don't have the tools or prefer not to handle this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Simply schedule a service, and we can assist you with the battery replacement. Our pickup and delivery at your home means you don't need to worry about transportation, no calls, no travel, just convenience. Now that the battery cover is secured, you can reattach the dust canister. Align it with the main body and push it until you hear a click, confirming it's locked in place. Finally, plug in your Dyson V10 and test it out. You should notice improved performance with the new battery installed. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. By following these steps, you can easily replace the battery in your Dyson V10 and keep your vacuum running efficiently. Remember, proper maintenance and timely battery replacement are key to extending the life of your vacuum. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.